Hello there. So we are going to set up Facebook pixel and how to track view content, purchase, checkout, etc. Okay. So first of all, we have to set up the pixel from Facebook. Here, from the business setting dataset, we have to add a dataset. We can name our website the dev learning. Okay, let's create the dataset for pixel setup. Here is our pixel ID. We can copy it. Okay, then we have to go our tag manager. Now we need a constant variable for our pixel ID. We need a template from Facebook that will be used for tracking the Facebook pixel. We have to search on gallery. And here is the thing. We can add to our workspace. After that, we can go on trigger and the tags. Let's create a new tags, and the tag will be Facebook pixel. Okay. Then we can set the pixel ID from our constant variable. Then it will be page view. And for the trigger, it will be all pages. Okay. Then it's almost set up. We can name it pixel. Okay, then it will be finished. Let's publish the thing and check what's happening there. We can check the pixel is working or not. For that, we can go our website, and with the extension help, metapixel helper, we are seeing that there have the pixel ID and here is the page view. Let's see on tag manager. We can preview the things, connect, if we visit any product, see the pixel is fired and it's page view. Okay, it's page view because we visit two pages. Okay, then what we have to do, from the event manager, we can check in Facebook it's working or not, like from test events, dev learning. Okay, again let's visit the things. And we can go pages and it's showing the page view. So the page view and the pixel is working well. Now we can track the view content like the product. We can track the view content of our products. So for that, what we need, let's select a trigger or the variables from the tag manager. Like we need variables for the content manager. Let's visit a product. This is the product, see, and there are prices and titles, etc. So in tag manager, when we see the view item, there are events named view item, right? From the variables, from the data layer, we are seeing the item details here, items, item ID, etc. So we have to make the variables for view item to track the things, track the data. First of all, in tag manager, we can create the variables. Okay, and it will be like data layer variable. Okay, so now our variables is set. We have to make a trigger for our custom events. Let's create a trigger for the custom events, and it will be from our tag manager. The event will be view item. Okay, and we can name it view item also. Okay, and save it. Now we have to go tags, and we have to set up a tags for view item. So we can copy it or we can select it, no problem. Let's duplicate the things, copy, and it will be view content event. So the pixel ID will be same, and the standard event will be view content. Okay, now we have on things more. We have to add the object properties, and it will be like 4 or 5 things. and the trigger will be different. Trigger will be view item, and the things is now okay. We can save it. Okay, let's check the view item. We have to go preview again. Okay, let's view a item. It should be fire, and yes, it's fired. The view content, the name, ID, etc. Okay, then we can now track the add to cart. Okay, for that things we can copy the from view item. We can copy the view item, but before that we have to create a custom event for triggers. It will be custom event, and let's add to cart, view cart. Okay, so here is the add to cart event. We have to add this event on tag manager on trigger. Let's create one, and it will be add to cart trigger, and we have to save it. Now we can go on tags, the same things from the view content. We can copy the things. Just we have to change the name, nothing else. Okay, and the trigger. For the trigger we have to edit, add to cart event for the trigger. Otherwise all things are okay. We can track the add to cart also, no problem. So let's track the begin checkout things, and before that we can check the meta test events from the event manager. Here is the test events, and see there are page view content. Okay, then so we are going to track the checkout. Okay, so if we go to the checkout page, view cart, proceed to checkout. Here is the checkout pages. It will be load the begin checkout event. Okay, so let's create a trigger for begin checkout custom events. But as you know, there are multiple products for checkout. So if we add more product on our checkout, so here is the two product. For that, we have to create custom JavaScript variable to push multiple products info from our array. Okay, for that we have to go on variables, and we have to create first the data layer variable. So we are ready to create the tags for begin checkout or initiate checkout things. Let's create a new tag, or we can copy the things from view content. Copy it. So it will be initiate checkout event. And the object properties will be some changed. Okay, so we have to select the event name also, and the event will be initiate checkout, and the property name is okay. From the trigger we have to edit, and we have to add the begin checkout as we set up the triggers. So it's okay. Now save it. Let's check the things. Before that we have to submit and we have to publish. So we did the page view, pixel setup, view content, add to cart, and the begin checkout. So let's check the whole things now. From preview and also the test events. Okay, let's clear the activity. Now in tag manager we are ready to go. This is the page view, and see the pixel setup page view is fire. The page view is fire. Let's check a product. So this is the view content, right? So the view content is fire, and here have the view content processed. So let's add to cart our product. This is already add to cart. So in tag assistant, the add to cart event is fired, and in Facebook, the page view or view content is fired. So let's again we have to add to cart on multiple product. Let's view the cart and let's begin checkout, and here is two product with different value. Okay, let's check it on Google tag. Yeah, this is fire on initiate checkout, and in data the data is now okay almost. So if we go to the checkout, initiate checkout or begin checkout, there have the data layer and there have the variables. Here is our variables we set up, and the conversion value is 620. The currency and the product ID, all the things are showing correctly. In Facebook event manager, they are also showing the initiate checkout. So our all the things are working properly. Thank you so much.